Jen, what do you think? Do you love it?
Awesome. I love
Oh
it.
my goodness,
It's
girl.
gorgeous. I love it.
We have done this up today.
Yes.
So we cut some of that length off of there, right?
Yep.
And turn around. We got it all going. Put it up here. Yep. We curled it. Got you all ready to go. You're in the mirror, loving it. Loving it. Bring you around this side. Mm-hmm. 24 inches. Almost 2 packs.
Yep.
Not quite.
Yeah, not quite. Yeah.
We still have some here left. I put it in the bag. Y'all can't see it, but it's in the bag. We got her going. So tell them to come see Tamika.
Yes, come see Tamika at Omaha Hair Extensions.
Yay!